Welcome to the Medic. This is my dad. He's kind of shy. He went to Iraq Afghanistan as a medic. He likes to show people about medical stuff. Today we're going to learn about CNSide. The first thing we do is to make sure we're safe. That's right. There's some questions we need to ask. What happened? Is it safe? Make sure how many people are hurt. What else do you need? Who else do you need? And then we also need to call 911. 911. The last thing we do is approach the patient. Here's my dad with the approach.
Patient, say hi.
Hi.
All right. So with any patient, what you want to do is you want to come up to their head. And if you have an unknown cause or an unknown injury, always put your hands on their head and ask them, are you all right, are you okay? And that's in case they decide to shake their head or they have a neck injury. That way you can catch them.
Thanks for watching. Visit our blog. Stay tuned for next week for MABC.